If you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, then keep watching as I am about to share some useful insights to help you get started on your journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to stay ahead of the curve, understanding the trends that can shape the industry is key to boosting your success. So in this guide, we'll explore the top affiliate marketing trends that beginners need to know to make a strong impact over the coming year to build your business. So over the last number of years, while the basic elements of affiliate marketing has stayed the same and will never change that way, but there are things changing all the time, and more predominantly with the use of AI-powered marketing tools and strategies. So artificial intelligence, AI essentially, is no longer a buzzword from a few years back. It's now an essential tool to use in affiliate marketing that can help you to analyse massive data sets to identify your target audience, predict their preferences and optimise your campaigns in real time. For beginners, AI offers automation tools to streamline content creation, personalise product recommendations and improve ad targeting. It's like having a digital assistant that works 24/7 to help you grow your business. If you're still on the fence about it, you can still use all of the traditional methods, but it will take longer. But there are a whole host and variety of tools available out there that are AI powered that can simplify the processes for you and even just save you time. So you can balance between the two to suit your own preferences, but you'll have to make that decision on whether it's right for you. The second area to look at would be micro-influencer partnerships. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok and even YouTube itself have become essential marketplaces for affiliate marketing. In 2025, or whenever you're starting, the focus will be on micro-influencers, even more so with those with small or highly engaged audiences. Unlike mega influencers, micro-influencers often have stronger connections with their followers, which translates into higher trust and better conversions. So by partnering with these influencers can help beginners build credibility and drive sales a lot quicker. Because you could have millions of subscribers on YouTube, but that doesn't always necessarily guarantee that you're going to get views or even make sales. Because the more people you have in your circle, the less loyalty there potentially will be, and that is a common fact. But the smaller your focus group, the smaller your tribe, the more engaged they're likely to be, and that's where you can make serious money. Third step would be to utilise social commerce integration. Social media itself isn't just for entertainment anymore. It's also being used as a full-fledged shopping platform. With features like Instagram shopping and TikTok's in-app purchases, users can now shop seamlessly without leaving their favourite apps. Beginners should focus on integrating affiliate links into social commerce platforms to tap into impulse buying behaviours and enhance conversion rates. As let's be real here, people's attention spans are very short these days with all of the social media content that's flooding the market. So you want to find a way to tap into those narratives in order to help you increase sales and build an audience. Because not only do people have short attention spans, they're also very impulsive, which means they're more likely to buy something quicker by seeing it. And if you can manage to put yourself in the right place at the right time, you have a very, very good chance of being able to get the most out of that situation and make the most amount of sales possible over your competitors. So in a combination with social media, you want to create short form video content, and this ties in like what I mentioned with shrinking attention spans. Short form video content is dominating social media in the current age, predominantly with TikTok and Instagram Reels, but even with YouTube Shorts. They allow creators to deliver quick, engaging messages that resonate with audiences. And for affiliate marketers, mixing short, snackable videos with longer informative content can cater to diverse preferences and even attract a wider audience, which in turn could lead to more sales further down the line. You also want to be mindful and to really take note of data-driven decision making, as affiliate marketing success relies heavily on performance analytics. Beginners should track key metrics like clicks, conversions and ROI, return on investment, to optimise their strategies. With stricter privacy regulations like GDPR, marketers need to focus on collecting first-party data through email opt-ins and surveys, utilising transparent and ethical data collection practices that will also help to build trust while ensuring compliance. You also must tie these elements into the next step, which is ethical and transparent marketing practices. This all works together. Trust is the foundation of affiliate marketing, whether you're a current marketer or you're just starting out, as consumers are more informed now than ever, and they expect transparency from marketers as the market is literally flooded with so many people trying to get your attention. So beginners need to disclose affiliate relationships clearly and honestly when providing honest reviews that highlight both the pros and cons of particular products that they're trying to promote. Authenticity builds credibility, which leads to long-term success. The next stage that also ties a lot of this element in together is mobile first optimization, online. With most users browsing and shopping on mobile devices these days, optimizing campaigns for mobile is non-negotiable. Beginners should focus on responsive website design, fast loading times and user-friendly navigation. Mobile-specific promotions and push notifications can further boost engagement and conversions. While it might come across as almost like a spammy aspect in order to gain attention, but unfortunately with the sea of other people doing the same thing, you do have to use these elements, but you can still use them in a way that's relevant to what you're trying to do. But if you have built up a loyal audience, they'll still keep coming back to engage with your content. You also want to be mindful in adapting to privacy changes, as they do change all the time. As third-party cookies phase out, affiliate marketers need to explore alternative tracking methods. Collecting first-party data through email subscriptions, direct user interactions and consent-based tracking will become the norm in the future. So beginners should prioritise building direct relationships with their audience to ensure sustainable growth over time. So with all of these steps in mind, if we look at the bigger picture, affiliate marketing is in the new age and is all about leveraging AI, pretty much. Building authentic relationships and prioritising transparency will be the key to your overall success. And beginners can achieve this success by staying adaptable and embracing new trends like micro-influencers, social commerce and mobile optimization. Remember, data-driven strategies and ethical practices are keys to long-term growth. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing efforts to the next level, you need to start implementing these strategies as soon as possible. Stay consistent, stay innovative and most importantly, stay connected with your audience. And the results will speak for themselves.